welcome to the Boozy Kitchen. If this is your first time, please click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the exciting deliciousness we've got going on here. So today is very special because November is my birthday month. We're gonna make something called Birthday Bomb Cupcakes, which has all of my favorite flavors. No, not all. Which has some of my most favorite flavors in it. Chocolate, whiskey, Bailey's Irish cream, and Guinness. So my booze infused journey began with Boozy Cupcakes, and this is probably one of my all-time favorites. It is rich and chocolatey. It has a whiskey ganache filling and a Bailey's buttercream frosting, which is to die for. My mouth is watering. So obviously this is a takeoff of a drink called an Irish car bomb. So I feel like we should make one and test it out. Why not? So you need to start with a glass and a shot glass. And then we're gonna pour in our Bailey's Irish cream into the shot glass, ½ ounce. And then we pour in our Irish whiskey. The drink. I feel like maybe we should just try this first because that looks really good. Ooh, that was good. Maybe one more? It's a little one. Whiskey. Oh yeah. Cheers. Okay, let's try that again. So first we put our Bailey's Irish cream, ½ ounce. Then our Irish whiskey, this is Jameson's. I'm just gonna pour it in. It all goes into one spot. Okay, then we're going to take our Guinness and we're going to pour about ½ pint. Okay, now what you're supposed to do is drop this in and then chug it. So kind of wish I had a cheering squad. Chug, chug, chug. Okay, here we go. The whole thing brings me back to my college days. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. I haven't done this in a long time. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Chug. Here we go. Oh my gosh. All right. Here is your list of ingredients.
Okay, we'll start with 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons each baking soda, baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs at room temperature, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and of course 3/4 of a cup of Guinness. We're going to mix the dry ingredients first. Okay, once that's fully incorporated, start adding your wet ingredients. So start with the eggs, adding one at a time, and then add your butter. We want to make sure we don't over mix our batter, because then you'll have stodgy cupcakes. In goes your Guinness, and then your buttermilk, and just till it's just come together. Then we'll add it into our lined cupcake tin, about 3/4 of the way full, and we'll put it in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. Make sure you stick a toothpick in. If it comes out clean, then they're done. For ganache, you'll need 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of your whiskey. And super easy, you're going to heat up your heavy cream just to boiling, and then put it in a bowl with your chips and butter, and mix and mix and mix until you get that nice glossy finish. And then we'll add about 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of your whiskey. And we're going to incorporate that. You want your ganache to set, so once it's all incorporated, you can put it in the freezer or the fridge for a few minutes until it's a nice, dense, fudgy consistency. Oh, who am I kidding? We need one more shot. There we go. It's my birthday. Let's make it boozy. And now for the best part, you want 5 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, and 4 tablespoons of Bailey's Irish cream. We're going to mix our softened butter in our mixer. You can use a hand mixer till it's nice and creamy, and then we're going to begin to add our powdered sugar 1 cup at a time. And just wait till it's a little incorporated and then add the next cup. Once you've gotten to about 3 cups, you want to go ahead and add in about 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and then 2 tablespoons of Irish cream, and let that incorporate. And then we'll go ahead and start adding in 1 more cup and 1 more tablespoon of Irish cream. This is going to make a really good sturdy buttercream. I like my buttercream really stiff. That's what she said. But if you don't, you could always add some milk to thin it out. So go ahead and add your final cup of powdered sugar, which must go flying all over the counter. And then your final tablespoon of Bailey's, and maybe 1 for the chef. And then just mix that until it's nice and incorporated and creamy. Okay, once your cupcakes have cooled completely, we're going to take our little paring knife and cut out the centers, kind of like a little cone. You don't want to go all the way to the bottom, but we're creating a little well to put our whiskey ganache inside. So we'll just cut through those and save those tops because we're going to put them back on. So we'll go ahead, and I just took a sandwich baggie and put my ganache in there and then cut the tip. and then just squeeze in ganache. Honestly, you don't even have to put the tops on if you don't want to. You could just put even more ganache inside, which is really good too. But today I'm putting the tops back on. And it's a mystery which one goes on which. To make a game out of it, puzzle. It doesn't matter because we're just going to smother them with that yummy Baileys Irish cream. So once those are on, then it's time to decorate. And if you're super fancy like me, you just put it in a piping bag. And if you're not fancy like me, you can just smother them on with a knife. And then also, I like to make it a little extra boozy, and I've got these cute little droppers, and we put extra little shot of Baileys and whiskey and just stuff those right in, and voila. Be sure to click like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.